Hey guys, it's Jira Bro back with another video. This video is going to be about the ScriptRunner, and more specifically, we're gonna be talking about a specific field within a ScriptRunner. And in the ScriptRunner, there's going to be this field right here that it's saying number of times in the status. So let's say I want my fields to be named like that. The name of the custom field that you're creating. So I will be creating this field right here. So for the note and the description, I'm not gonna be choosing anything. Now, I'm gonna be having in here, so these are the issue statuses that I having in here. And say I want to know how many times I actually have this I have this issue in progress, right? Because let's say I don't know, I just see that some specific feature or some specific ticket is going around through the statuses themselves, but it's not being done, and I want to know for which status is this. So I'm gonna check in here for my project. Let's say I want to be looking at the Scrum 11, so that is going to be the so it's gonna be Scrum 11. So now what I can actually do in here is I can click on preview, and it's what going to say the result is going to be 1. So that means this specific issue was once in progress, right? So it was once. And for example, I want to look for a different one. So for Scrum 13, it's 1. But if I'm saying like if this is going to be for to do, it's going to say 1 now. And this is okay because this is like a brand new project and this is something that you actually want to include. So if I click on add, and now it's going to say the number searcher, and this is the configuration scheme. So this is the this is also being applied to all of the projects in here, and this is like the default context, so it's available for all of the issues in here. And it's saying this is the number searcher, right? Okay. And now what I can actually do is, if I want, I can configure the screen, which is something that is important. So you actually have to configure your screen in order to have this field well available for you. If I actually go here, probably it's not gonna be available because this is, I didn't specify this to actually be, oh, alright, it's in here. So it's saying like number of times in the status, and it's saying 1, and it's this specific status, so this is going to be for to do. Now if I go back, and if I go here, if I check for Scrum, it's gonna say 1. If I go here, and it's also gonna say 1. And this is because I already stated this. Yeah, this is okay. And this is like apply to. Alright, so if I go for edit, it's saying like, okay, this is for the to do. and I already did for in progress, so that's why it is showing me the number 1 in here. But this is pretty handful thing to have, especially when you want to see custom field has been created with global context. Please ensure that you configure the context screens. Yeah, because if you don't do that, it's not gonna be visible to your screen. And of course, now here it's saying, oh, it's being added globally, and you're saying, I don't want this to be added globally, I just want to apply this to, let's say, 2 projects or 3 projects. But yeah, this is of course something that you can customize as well. It's actually pretty interesting and handful thing to have, and handful fields actually to have. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.